In our fast-paced world, we often forget to nurture the most important relationship we have, the one with ourselves. Did you know that life's three fundamental pillars are lifestyle, diet, and sleep, as per the traditional system of medicine? By aligning our daily habits with nature's rhythms, we cultivate a deep sense of self-love and well-being. Ayurveda, the ancient science of life, teaches us that self-care is not a luxury, but a necessity. In this video, I will be sharing some of the most incredible holistic rituals to help you reconnect with yourself. First ritual is to maintain Dinacharya. Dinacharya is also known as a structured daily routine. Following a set pattern to conduct your day provides a sense of stability and balance. For instance, waking up early, preferably before sunrise, aligns us with the natural rhythm of nature. Begin your day with simple practices like rinsing your face with cool water, stretching your body, and practicing mindfulness. A predictable routine fosters discipline, calms the nervous system, and enhances overall well-being. Second ritual is seasonal eating. Eating in accordance with the season supports digestion and vitality. In winter, having warming foods like soups and root vegetables provide comfort, while in summer, hydrating fruits and cooling herbs help maintain the body's temperature and strength. Holistic practices also recommend mindful eating like chewing slowly and taking a short walk after meals to aid digestion. When we choose foods per season that honor our body's constitution, we cultivate harmony within. Third ritual is body massage. Self-massage or Abhyanga suggests massaging the body with warm oils. This practice deeply nourishes body tissues and supports good lymphatic circulation. Sesame oil is ideal for Vata types, coconut oil for Pitta, and mustard oil for Kapha-dominant people. This ritual calms the nervous system, improves circulation, and leaves the skin glowing. The act of self-massage is an act of self-love, reminding us to care for our bodies with intention. Fourth ritual is oil pulling. This is an ancient practice of swishing a tablespoon of cold-pressed coconut oil or sesame oil in your mouth for 10 to 15 minutes. This helps remove toxins and promotes oral health. This practice strengthens the gums, freshens breath, and enhances overall immunity. Remember to spit out the oil, never swallow it, and rinse your mouth with warm water. Oil pulling is a simple yet effective way to start the day feeling refreshed. After oil pulling, fifth ritual is tongue scraping. Use a tongue cleaner to remove accumulated toxins, bacteria, and food debris trapped between the tiny bumps on your tongue called papillae, which happens naturally overnight due to reduced saliva production while sleeping. This practice enhances taste perception, promotes digestion, and prevents bad breath. The tongue reflects the state of your internal health. Keeping it clean is a small but significant step towards overall wellness. Sixth ritual, drinking warm water throughout the day. This aids digestion, detoxifies the body, and is very effective in keeping the energy levels steady. Unlike cold water, which slows down digestion, warm water helps maintain an optimal digestive fire and hence a good metabolism. Seventh ritual is to practice yoga daily and stay active. Yoga postures improve flexibility, enhance blood circulation, and reduce stress. Pranayama or breathwork calms the mind and balances the doshas. Simple postures like child's pose, forward bends, and sun salutations cultivate inner peace and strength. Movement is a celebration of life. Honor your body by keeping it active. The eighth ritual is to purify and refresh your aura. This can be done by incorporating aromatic incense like sage, rose, lavender, or sandalwood. Incenses inspire a sense of serenity and loving awareness towards ourselves. These sacred scents have been used for centuries to cleanse spaces and uplift moods. light an incense stick during meditation, or use sleep-inducing lavender diffuser oil during bedtime to create a peaceful ambience. Ninth important ritual is sleep or nidra. A sound sleep is the foundation of good health. Winding down with relaxation techniques like deep breathing, journaling, or sipping herbal tea is a positive way to create a calming bedtime ritual. Always dim the lights and reduce screen time an hour before your sleep time. A deep and restorative sleep clears mental clutter, enhances focus, and boosts our ability to experience joy. Self-love is not an indulgence, it is a sacred responsibility. By practicing these holistic rituals, we nourish not just our bodies, but our minds and souls. Let every small act of care be a reminder that you are worthy of love, balance, and harmony. Begin today. Honor yourself with these mindful rituals and watch how your inner light flourishes. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Take care till we meet again in our next video.